Minnesota gets first crack at it. And Towns took a shot. Edwards for three. Splash.
You see the first down the long jumper.
Edwards wants another and gets another.
These are shots that are coming out of the floor.
McLaughlin to Edwards for three. 11 so far tonight. Edwards kicks it outside. Extra pass. Prince. Cross heave over to Edwards for the 10 seconds. Edwards, the step back. Rolls in. All the way. So he did it 2 threes in that first quarter. His first 3-pointers of the season. Edwards. The pull-up. 8-point ball game approaching 2 minutes to go. Edwards stops on McDermott and cashes.